Here's your chicken marinato.
Perfect. Isn't it? Thank you. Well, it's right here.
Corn-fed beef steak.
Thank you there now.
You're welcome.
That's beautiful.
A satisfied customer is always the key contributor to a successful and lucrative restaurant and dining industry. No matter if it is a 5-star restaurant in France to a chili dog establishment in Detroit, customers need to be happy, satisfied, but more importantly, safe. If you are watching this, you are most likely part of management or ownership of a restaurant. No matter if it is independently owned, franchise, or corporate, food safety conditions should always be held to a gold standard, meaning food and all dining personnel should be clean at all times to help avoid any type of illness. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, roughly 1 in 6 Americans, or 48 million people, get sick from foodborne illness. 128,000 are hospitalized and a little over 3,000 die annually. Mexican restaurant chain Chi-Chi's never recovered from a case of foodborne illness and was forced to immediately shut down due to an outbreak of hepatitis A. This was the largest hepatitis A outbreak in United States history, with at least 4 deaths and 660 other victims in the greater Pittsburgh area. Anytime a food outbreak occurs, the owner has to question every employee's hygiene and maintenance of the food to make sure this type of incident is prevented in the future. How easy can foodborne illness start and spread? Very easy, and it thrives off of not being properly educated. How can you be properly educated? Simple. Let the National Environmental Health Association provide the knowledge you need.
The NEHA has educated environmental health professionals who have been working closely with the local health department since 1937.
A primary organization that works with the NEHA is the Center for Disease Control and Prevention.
When the CDC and NEHA combine, they are providing you, the owner, the exact same knowledge that the local and state health departments possess,
which will keep you up to date on all the food and safety trends by providing the appropriate training.
The training provided has a strong emphasis on informing business owners about the potential hazards of food safety,
which is guaranteed to educate and protect you from these potential food hazards.
Typical methods of education are reading materials such as books, online articles, instructional videos, and also one of our workshops. A key workshop is the Industry Foodborne Illness Investigation Training, or better known as IFIT.
Ultimately, it is up to you to customize your training needs so you can receive as much or as little food safety education as you see fit. The NEHA Food Safety Training has everything that you need at an affordable price. So let us help your patrons avoid the hospital, your owners avoid the judge, and possibly this going out of business sign. Though this video was just scratching the surface of the intricate details of foodborne illnesses, you are still more educated than what you were before you watched this video.
Now let us further inform you to ensure the safety of your valuable customers. Each and every satisfied customer starts with an educated dining professional like you.